Hey guys, Thursday, August 15. Quick update. I forgot today was Thursday. EIA report. Look what we have here. Minus 6B. Forecast was 3. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So far, the market is liking this, so that's looking good. Let's look at the price action. We went as high as $2.30, somewhere around here. That coincides with the market profile for resistance right here. So we need to show the bears that we got this and push higher, at least to point of control, which is 274 all the way to value area high of 279. This all remains to be seen. But if the bulls are going to push it up, especially with that number, then this is their opportunity. Volume so far is looking good for the bulls. In regards to the daily simple glance chart, we are above 225. We just need to hold that and close above it. We're right now 227. We're very close. It's kind of quiet now. Let's look at our geometry. We're hitting the 25% on the APF, which is right here, stalling there, but above a lot of the key levels, and we're right in the sweet spot on the FT levels, which is 228 to 225. So it's better to be here than be below it, in my opinion. Let's see, anything else? I think that's it. Trend line. Yeah, I put this trend line, if you saw my morning video, on the Elliott wave. So I want to see if we could continue upward without violating this trend line, just to see if we could continue trending higher. Let's look at our midpoint, because this is where it's important. So far we are above 225, which is our yearly pivot, so that's good. But on the monthly pivots, we just hit the midpoint, which is 229, and that's why, on top of, in conjunction with the market profile, which I just showed you earlier, which is this right there, is showing some resistance. And the midpoint on the monthly midpoints using a daily chart, you can see, or daily time frame with monthly midpoints, you can see that this is the line in the sand in regards to the midpoint on the monthly. But the mobiles are positive. Stokes are just on the bullish side with, snapbacks, and people are buying it. And everything's kind of looking good to the upside. But we need to close above 229 this week, or at least, sometime this week, in order to show the Black Widow and the bull and the bears that we could continue pushing higher, at least to the end of the month. According to some of the seasonalities I've been watching. Let's look at our 4-hour chart. And the mobiles are positive. It kind of got a little ugly there, but with the numbers came out, you can see all the bulls showed up. You got that snapback, and now it's up. And you hit a target already of 226. Your last target would be 233 for the week. So this is covering the whole week. We could get up there. It would be nice. And so far, we are above 226. So that's looking good. And above the midpoint, this is all looking good. As long as we could hold, and if we pull back, we need to hold at least 226. And you already know for the whole month, this is your midpoint. And for today only, you're above the 200, the midpoint, which is 221, or what is it? Yeah, 220. The 200 to 219. We got PPS buy signal. We almost kissed 230. This was like the high was 230.01. You're very close. 230.09. And then your last target up here will be 234. And so far the hourly is looking good. Kind of hanging you're kind of hanging out at the, what is it, Wednesday's high, which is 227. You're kind of just dancing there. Let's go a little more fractal. I don't think I've showed this chart. Let's see. This is what I use when I'm trading. It's a little more fractal, just because I like to see things in different dimensions. So let's see. Let's get this time in sales here. So you can see that we rode up here, pulled back. This white line is a VWAP. And when the numbers came out, this is the candle. Volume spiked. Big buyers came in once they saw the numbers, minus 6B. And we hit a high of 230. But right now, we're just kind of like, I guess, digesting this move. Over here, this is a 30-minute chart. And so far, everything looks good. It looks bullish. If we close this down a little bit, you can see you got your 234 right here, and this is over here your midpoint on the monthly. So that's why we're stalling right here. And as long as we could hold, as long as we don't take out 221, I think we're in good shape. Yeah, I think we're in good shape. 225, if we could hold that, that would be nice. Because this is your midpoint for today in regards to the open session right here. But it's not, yeah, it's just choppy. It's like all the bulls showed up right at 10:30 and then it just started getting quiet right here. You would think maybe they would just keep piling up and pushing forward. But something's a little interesting here. Just a little interesting. 230. Let's look at so we made it all the way to here. You would think at least get to a 233, at least get to the zero line. And maybe chop around here between 225, 230, and maybe continue pushing lower. But I don't know. Maybe the bulls are going to be showing in sporadic. But I don't know. Let's see. I just want to do this quick update. I'm just looking at price action here. And here's the when the report came out. And then this is what's going on after the report. And it's just a little choppy, a little too quiet for me. And not to be a Debbie Downer, but this is the kind of environment that the Black Widow gets a little excited. Because she's all about trapping, whoever she wants to trap. And everybody's getting excited here with the not the Black Widow, but the numbers and all that. And you never know. She's lurking, and maybe she's got everybody really excited. A lot of equity into the long side. A lot of stop orders below here. And you never know if she wants to come in and pounce and start hitting stuff. So just stay vigilant. Trail your stops, put your markers where, wherever you need to go. But just looking, so far, everything is looking good. Key level to hold today, at least worst case scenario, 221. You can see that they were trying to break it down, but they didn't. But if they come and revisit here and then close below the 200 moving average, 219, 218, which is somewhere around here, then maybe, the Black Widow wanted to get everybody on the bullish side and then maybe slam it down. But that's just me speculating, because I always look at the both sides and try to see where's the risk and where is, the path of least resistance. So far is up, but I'm surprised the bulls didn't really show up with some momentum. So be careful. just a quick update. Watch out for 218. It's, Black Widow could push you here. And if we can't hold 218, 214, and if that can't hold, be careful. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this quick update. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.